All right. Let's have a look at this question. The question we're looking at is January 2016. So it's January 2016. Question number 2. I'm going to solve for x where x is a real number. I, and we have what? 8 minus x is less than or equal to 5x plus 2. Alright, everybody? We're to solve for x where x is a real number. 1, 2. When you solve an equation, you get a value. Whenever you solve an equation, if it's a linear equation, you'll get one answer. If it's a quadratic equation, you'll get two answers. If it's a cubic equation, you'll get three answers. When you solve an inequality, however, you don't get one answer. What you get is a range of answers. So let us solve this inequality. This is what I said. The steps to solve an inequality are identical to the steps that you take to solve an equation. So the first thing is I need all x's on what? One side and all numbers on the other side. It doesn't matter which side you take it to. So I'm going to have what? 8. Help me. Positive 2 comes over and become what?
Negative 2.
Minus 2 is less than or equal to 5x. Negative x goes over and become what?
Positive.
So the steps for solving an equation are what? Identical to the steps for solving an inequality. So let's simplify both sides. We have what? 6 is less than or equal to 6x. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Let's turn the inequality around to get the x on the left. If I turn inequality around, what must I do?
Change the sign.
So now we have what? 6x is what? Greater than or equal to 6. Last step. Last step.
Divide both sides by 6.
Divide both sides by 6. X is greater than or equal to 1. Did you get that?
Now change the sign.
Now look at this way. Regardless of how you do it, even if you carry the x's over the other side, it doesn't matter. The answer must come out to be the what? The same.
This sign will change.
This is the sign that you're supposed to have. Do you have this sign?
No, sir.
It means that you did something wrong somewhere.
Didn't change the sign.
But I told you, that's a problem. That's what we're teaching on. We teach for you to what? Follow. I said there are 2 times you change the sign. When you what? Turn around the inequality, and if you divide what? Both sides by what? A negative number. Here I turn around the inequality, I must change the sign. What is the next thing we're asked to do? What is the next thing we're asked to do? This is what? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us represent the solution on a number line. I need values of x which are what? Greater than or equal to what? 1. I will come up 1. Do that. X is greater than or equal to 1. That is the region on the number line where x is what? Greater than or equal to 1. Why did I shade the circle?
Because it's greater than or equal to.
Because it's greater than or equal to.
That's it.
That's it. Next, B says we're to what? Expand and simplify. 2x x plus 5 minus 3x minus 4. We're to expand and simplify. This is simple. I'm going to remove the brackets by applying what?
Distributive law.
Distributive law says whatever is in the bracket is multiplied by what is immediately outside of the bracket. What is 2x times x? What is 2x times 5? Minus 3 3 times x. A negative times a negative is a what? 3 fours. This is 2x squared plus 7x plus 12. Can that be simplified further?
No, sir.
Talk to me now.
No, sir.
Why not?
No, they're not like terms.
Because they're all what? Unlike terms. C. C says that we should simplify 3x squared multiplied by what? 4x cubed over what? 2x. Let's start with the top. 3 fours.
12.
This is what? What is x squared times x cubed? Divided by 2x. 2 into 12. What is x into x to the 5th? Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
If you didn't, that's what it's supposed to do. Lastly, sorry, D. D says write as a single fraction. We have what? X plus 1 over 2 plus 5 minus x over 5. This is the third question we're doing, and it's the third time we're doing that. First thing, you should put these in brackets. If I'm adding or subtracting fractions and the denominators are different, I must find what? What is the LCM? 2 into 10. 2 into 10. 5 times the numerator. 5 into 10. 2 times the numerator. Distributive law. 5 times x. 5 ones. 2 fives. 2 times x. Like terms. All over. Then we have what? 3x plus 15. Can this be simplified further? No, that is your answer. Lastly, E says we're to what? Factorize completely. E says factorize completely. We have 4x squared minus 4. You tell me what to do. That's madness. Very first thing in all factorization is to see if there is a common factor. 4 is common. You have to take that out first. 4. What is 4 into 4x squared?
X squared.
What is 4 into 4? No, it isn't. If you reach this and stop, you get half of the mark because it's not complete. And the instruction is to factorize completely. 4. Can you see that in here is the difference of 2 squares? What multiplied by itself gives you x squared? What multiplied by itself gives you 1? One side what? The other side what? Now it is finished. Ladies and gentlemen, let us do our work because we did not attend 5 years of school to fail.